Yeah, welcome back to the Trophy Destination Safari series. If you're planning your first safari, you might have just booked on one of the hunting shows. This video is going to go through your biggest questions on what to pack.
Yeah, that's right. Today we're sharing 10 must-brings on your safari to make sure you're prepared, comfortable, and make sure you enjoy every moment.
Yeah, let's jump right in.
Yeah, first up, neutral clothing, I would say, is very important. Dark khaki, olive green, shirts, pants, comfortable, comfortable clothes. You don't have to wear the most expensive or anything, just comfortable, the right color. Like we said, olive green, dark brown is perfect.
Yeah, if your clothes are too light, you're going to stand out. You might think beige is a brown, an earthy color, but that beige glows like white from a distance. Yeah. Next up, we've got comfortable, durable footwear. You know, bring the boots that you're comfortable with. Don't go out buying new boots and then you have to first walk them in and you're going to get blisters, you're going to be uncomfortable. So just wear what's comfortable for you.
Yeah, next up we have, we would say a wide-brimmed hat, sunglasses. Yeah, days out in the sun can be brutal here by us.
And don't forget the sunscreen, insect repellent is absolutely essential to avoid sunburns and these pesky mosquito bites.
We would say the good binoculars. We have these here. Zeiss, if you can, if you have some, with a rangefinder is always good. Zeiss, Swarovski, Leica, there's many good ones you can use, but yeah, bring the ones you're comfortable with, you used to using. That's very important. Some good binoculars.
Yeah, and there's no need to bring a spare rangefinder. We've got rangefinders. We'll be ranging and looking for you while you're behind the rifle. You just take care of taking a good shot.
Yeah, then personal health items, medications. Sunscreen, we've named that. If there's anything, we have first aid kits and stuff like that. But yeah, any medications you might need to bring that with.
Yeah, and a light backpack, perfect for carrying water, snacks, your gear, your cameras. When we go out hiking, we might not be back by the truck for a while, so you might want to take all that stuff with you in a light backpack.
And then zip-off pants is also a good option. Sometimes the winter mornings can be very cold, and then about 11 in the mornings it warms up and you're hot, and even if we have to walk long ways, it's good to have zip-off pants. That also helps a lot.
Yeah, I'm sitting here in my yard editing the video we did the other day, and I realized we forgot to mention ankle gaiters. So if you go with short pants, we would recommend you put on these ankle gaiters. You can get them at most outdoor stores. If you can't get them wherever you live, we can always stop after we pick you up at the airport and go buy a pair. It'll keep seeds out of your socks, seeds out of your boots, sticks and thorns. So with long pants it's not that necessary, but with shorts 100% a must. Also, we do offer laundry service, so every day, every second day, if you need something cleaned, you can just give it to us, we'll wash it for you, so you don't need to go pack overly much and have a huge suitcase, because we can wash your clothes for you. And now back to the video. Yeah, and make sure you layer your clothing. Like Paul just said, early mornings it can be very cold, but during the day it normally heats up. The sun will start baking you. You're going to want to take off some layers to be comfortable.
Yeah, and then a good water bottle for hydration. It's important to stay hydrated. We also always have waters and cold drinks and everything you need basically on the hunting vehicle. But sometimes if we go out for a walk, it might take some time before we get back to the hunting vehicle, and then it's good to have some a water bottle you can carry with, or it's always helps to have some hydration with you.
Yeah, and lastly, power banks and travel adapters, all your chargers. We've got the old English plugs here and the European 2-points. So I know with the American guys, it's best you guys bring your adapters with, so that you can make sure all your electronics and everything are always fully charged in the morning when we go out.
Yeah, that's about it. That's our top 10 essentials for your first safari. I guess you guys should feel more prepared now.
Yeah, we also have a free downloadable checklist on our website, www.trophydestinations.com. It's linked in the description. You guys are more than welcome there. Go to resources and you can download to the packing list.
Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to make your safari unforgettable. You'll see us in the next video.